Tesla Giga Nevada Semi-Factory Render. A Tesla executive has shared a photograph of the under-construction semi-factory at the company's Nevada facility, alongside a rendering of what the plant is expected to look like once complete. On Saturday, Semi-Program head Dan Priestley posted the new rendering on X of the completed look of the upcoming semi-factory at Gigafactory Nevada, along with a photo of the site today, as early construction continues. Notably, the rendering includes the word semi on top of the building, as well as a ton of semi-docking bays lining the exterior of the facility. Tesla began getting ready to begin construction on the semi-factory expansion earlier this month, as massive deliveries of steel and other materials were seen being brought to the site weeks ago. The company initially broke ground on the expansion project in January, alongside expansion plans for a 4,680 battery cell factory on site. The expansion project was announced last year, and it's ultimately expected to add 6,500 full-time employees to the site between the semi and 4,680 battery cell facilities. The cost of the expansions is estimated to be roughly $3.6 billion, and it will eventually add around 4 million square feet of manufacturing space. Tesla is aiming for semi-production to begin at Giga Nevada in late 2025, with some initial external customers seeing deliveries by early 2026. In recent months, Tesla has increased its customer base for pre-Giga Nevada semi-units beyond its initial deliveries to PepsiCo, which were first deployed in December 2022. The company has since announced additional units going to PepsiCo, as well as similar partnerships and orders from Costco, Martin Brower, and Walmart. An audio recording capturing a few statements during Elon Musk's visit to Gigafactory Berlin in March revealed that the CEO expects that it could make sense for the German plant to produce the Semi one day. Tesla Semi has shipped over 20,000 battery packs out of Giga Nevada. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.